Gevin zijn doen live met Monty Summit, the GrillFather, de echte grill tati. Jeder kennen hem als de grill tati. Let's see what you got.
So, we're carving meats, keep the flesh right outside on lump charcoal, the center of the prime rib eye. Surprise, also known as the lip, spinalis, rib cap, whatever. We're gonna make a nice cut, and let's see how we can enhance the flavor and watch people's faces. That's all I can say. Okay, let's cut through. Maar gaan geherige, we alleen het gillen, die andere dag van jongen. So now practice in carbonas. Wow. So the top is a surprise, fatty part. The center, delicious. Don't much sleep right. So this guy goes down and says, "Nah, I'm sleep. It's too hard for me." So this is what we do. We put it up. Let me show you a piece. Start her up nicely first before you demonstrate. Mag the ganze show. Mag je doen gazen. Met een kleine stukje, ja. Dus I'll show you a medium piece. And it's well done, yeah. Okay, no problem. This is so sits in the juices from the steak. About 60 seconds, 60 seconds. Flip nog eenmaal zo.
Wow. Gets the well doneness.
Yeah, but now keep on. Look at the result. Maar jij mag je doen happy. How? We're doing something different and unique. Dan moet je staan snaden, fleischen, next, nein. Dit is je snaden. Dat is ook snaden. We zouden, we wassen. Kijk, we doen een beetje gewinnen, ja?
Je staat spraak, wow. Ik heb zo over de wereld. Jassie bracht leent de goos.
Jassie bracht schwaam. Fleisch hat eine certain Sprache für mich.
Dus die schmiest raus in de Fleisch, waar?
Zal maar een hele conversation. Dan maar ik hem op, baguette hebben. Baguette gemaakt, ze brengen ook nog Samsari, een kind terug.
Boniste.
Of course, it started off as a brick. It was mud and bricks.
Oh, wow.
That was what client's roll was. But when client's roll goes and they work things through, and they care about one another, and they help one another out, they take mud and they turn it into sapphire.
Moest je beginnen jetzt?
Kijk of de mensen spelen, minister. Verstaan. It's extra crispy.
The outside crisp.
Sometimes they get the show, so they get crispy. Rosemary, yeah. Get the rosemary with the juice from the actual juice from the steak. So it's not kind of ticket like the one special. It's got a bit of smokiness. I'm going to start with the brisket juice on the problem. Okay. The next message. Van de kleinere cuts, ja. Dan gaan we de kleinere cuts aan iedereen zo kennen voor mijn stikkel. Dus dat is wat gemaakt. Dus je kan steak knife, geven shine. Also ich schneide gerade de fette Stücke drauf, die Menschen sind lieb fat, weißt? You never know, we have a well done corner.
Die Menschen sind lieb fat, nein?
Die Menschen sind lieb fat, ja. Und auf dem Stamm so einfach.
Ist das ein Besen von der Schweiz, nein?
Ein certain Beginner für Schwitzen, meine ich. Okay. Mein Dollar sind geregelt, haben sie fieten. Salzpfeffer.
So das ist ein Professional, man legt es herup, also...
Nein. Das ist so ist, der Map oder das Fleisch?
Jetzt ist das der Mischensauce.
Ja, jeder kommt ein bisschen auf die Corner, ein bisschen in der Mitte, ein bisschen jetzt, jeder ein bisschen. We're ready for ribeye.
What a happy hingerick. At the end of the day, we have the dinner godfather.
The basin, some of the map, some of the torch, some of the lange messes, shine messes, boiler messes, the pizza, fleisch, vlieg. Jeder is happy. Dat is ook maar classy, shine, idle, geplated, different story. De boeken doen wel haken, Emmes?
What do you say, lady?
Meat pieces. More of a medium, more of a well. What do you
Have small pieces up there. Als je small pieces.
I know it's a small piece automatically. There's do a certain look to do by insisting.
Heimish a small piece.
Heimish a small piece. Okay. Lamazan says brave enough. He says Lamazan. Who's brave enough? Who's brave enough? I'm brave enough. Here we go. Here we go. We found a good boy. Don't touch the knife. Here we go.
Wow.
The fleisch, not the fleisch.
Als dan moet geschnitten aan hem lip en naar goenisch.
Listen, aber halt der cocktail in the hand, krijgt ze maanden. Well, medium well, anyone? Medium well, and then we're going for the brisket.
Then we're going for the brisket, guys.
Fatty, medium well, some fatty part.
Kijk wat dit zich doet.
Say the word, what you like. I got everything in front of me.
Give lady something good. Don't forget it on camera.
Deze had vieles. Probably good.
Kann ich kein Glove, du kannst stotzen.
Okay, kein Problem.
Ja, wenn es geschocht wird, dann machen wir schon draußen.
Die darf ich sowieso als er lebt.
Er hat geschafft.
Zum Fall, so things like this around in the wrong hand. Yeah, but the key is south. Yeah.
Oh, ja, wat is er met dat leggen, ja? Dit is als een play-doh. Ik meen dat ze lang aan de interim line. Die is geen teksten. Unbelievable. Die gaat de map doen en hustelt daar weg. Nee, ik ga niet zetten met hem. Nee, dat is op camera. Dat is nice.
Was gehen wir Team next?
Okay, ich will, dass wir rausnehmen, ein bisschen draußen, sehen den Prozess, wie man grillt ist.
Gehen wir 2-3 Minuten.
Let's go, okay, we got it. Alright, let's go.
Sie geht ein Stück Break oder
What's my history? Where were you born? Where you from?
Oh, Kim, lass mal rausgehen drauf. Everything good here?
Monroe, Muncie, Squid.
Gaat er alles wat aan, Kim. Is dat dit? Moet je dat interessant? Oké, neem maar. Dat treft als een item moet dan met dat is sugary saucy. Ik mention something this leap. So, ik heb een kleine chicken, dat cornered bite sizes. Ik maak het usually met bread is einmal, like iron, that's it. Then on a fry. Ik maak het dat double batter. So the shape is about crispy, like dat is warme sauce en eten. Ik get geen uit te wie me te maken een homemade kitchen.
Wie hast du umgehen? Wer hast du umgehen mit der ganzen Situation?
What's up here? You took a break already? No. You're still in the food stand standing with me? Are you drinking something? Water. Are you eating something? Maybe some fritas, some chicken, some pollo? What do you want? Sandwich? You want hamburguesi?
No, thank you so much. Thank you so much. No, you know, when you're cooking and everything full already.
I know. Oh, you get full from cooking. Hey, what's up, man?
What's going on? Anything is
What is this? Food?
How was the doc?
Get my truck is up. As soon as they need the room.
All right, Doc. Let's go.
Fine.
Let's rock into it. Let's go. Wie jij me noemt, wie jij me noemt.
Okay. Who's wissen, was this geschehen in a nutshell? I have no idea. I did not plan it. She gang with a plan. What is something about? Moved off Muncie 2013. Gekauft had de eerste grill. I'm some charcoal, but some smoking. Fell in love with the concept. So I was like, Ruby guy, Muncie, Airman.
Where you from?
Opgewachsen in Williamsburg.
No way.
Yeah, Williamsburg.
A Willy boy.
Yiddish English. What do you want?
Yiddish.
Yiddish. Opgewachsen in Williamsburg. Mijn het is erover maar 4 uur.
You never grilled dat bochen, no?
I was enjoying camp. She had so much like a mangal.
Mangal, huh? Alaesh.
Alaesh. Fell in love with the concept of outdoor chafshi. They were right over the grill. Slowly, I was close to land. So many months, we got the other grills and smokers, and I got pretty good at it. So I did the party, the food party, get my meat. Let's give it COVID. Kom maar real estate father. You know that. Brokerage sales, whatever, like possession. And I was doing very well. So give it COVID. Just things are quiet down. Nothing happened. So my bab's up on Pais, no more Zoom for the kids. Going to masses in on from Instagram. Instagram and off YouTube, LinkedIn. My bab's up in Aros. Dronk in a cabo, hit the guy for coffee essen. Doing the roast. Let's have fun.
In front of the house.
Yeah. The GrillFather, the father with his kids selling food. Just
That's
like
where you got the name GrillFather.
That's what it came to mind. And GrillFather, GrillFather, so it kind of like resembled.
Wow.
So, my neighbors, I was afraid they're going to get upset, they're blocking in. Everyone joined. We did Sunday, family.
You went to Ehrman?
Ehrman. There was not a lines. I sold with cost, just to have fun.
Is er met de hit doen dit? Met de hit?
Ja, met de hit. We gaan hier met
You started right away with the hat.
Had ik gezegd, maar waarom gaat ons gestipt? Kijk,
Met de hit.
Gyros, guy cost.
That's like get the vibe, man. She pushed you into this.
And Ellie Free, because Ellie Free party
Sure,
plan.
sure.
Ik ging naar dan echt chill en she got. Dus ik was gemaakt gewoon aan een event. Wat is dat organization? Still in our backyard, geen COVID. Dus ik, sure. Ja, oké. Ik zit toch remd en zoek. Ja, ben ik graag 400 mensen.
400 mensen!
Like that. Okay, I'm gonna get out the flies, I'm gonna have coffee, whatever. I got into it, I got the hang of it. So we made my guy, and other guy, I'm going to an event, I'm going to that up. And before you know it, I started climbing. The rest of the events, I'm going to my Jeep, my drugs, my days. And you know, like everywhere, you grow.
You start off like a little grill, like a little...
I got a clean, a portable.
A portable,
Walmart grill.
not even the big ones.
Not even one. A clean, bitsy ones, like a stick, I can experience. I was a good chef, but I know the other one operations. Always going to chef, a solid staff, like get the manager, get the social media manager, no friends time. It's very good. Shout out. No,
Shout out. How about
Blue Media.
Saul Bloom is the best.
So he's so good in picking up, and you know, it's good. It's great. Listen up. What else do to say? My wife supports me. People love the work I do. Gives me motivation.
I love your personality because you connect so much with the food.
Yeah.
Just curious, when you sold houses, how'd that play out?
So I connect with anything.
Say connect with anything.
Feeling emotional.
So you can become a Malam and the Chayda tomorrow, technically. Tell me this. When did this come to you?
When did what come to me?
This bandana
Oh, this bandana.
came with the time.
I think the Pesach, Royal Passover.
Oh, yeah?
Trying to be like looking the theme and everything. So I went
Awesome.
shopping a little bit.
And the beard you had always this
No.
Texas beard.
Yeah, the beard got longer.
Got
with
longer
time,
with the tech, you know.
with the grill.
Were you ever in Texas?
Yeah,
You were.
Not enough, not as many times as I wanted to be.
Amazing.
But you hired me actually. I hired me from New York.
How hard you
All of a
there?
sudden, this fake New York cowboy walks
This
in.
fake cowboy walks
And everybody's
in.
looking at me. I know you got your hat from, your spoods, you're fake, like, you know what I'm saying? But they love the food.
Anyway, so I'm will the taka boeken.
Okay, we'll talk about it in a second. How about an important point? You're passionate about something? Go for it. Go for the product. Obviously, let's make geld. You gotta make money. Don't focus on money. Focus on the product. Turn on patience. But 100. Just a bissel. 100. So I'm passionate because it's very natural. You're gonna be you, you're gonna do your thing, you're gonna do your best. If you're really good at it,
What a powerful
chance of
message.
failure.
What a powerful message.
Yeah.
Echt powerful.
Yeah, I mean, my motivation is my mortgage payment, my tuition bill.
That was good.
But I gotta do what I gotta do. Anyway, what's
Are you related to Ari Samet at all? Gunish. This is a humorous, natural humor personality, similar to him. In a certain sense, you know, that natural humor? Unbelievable. Last question, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Ich bin auf der Mission jetzt Kawai item la Teure. Hast any Quiz item noch Hose tuk? Also war viel a Pizzi?
Wow, breaks good. I'm up every morning 5:45.
No way.
At 6:20 kan ze me lint het aantal gelint daf. Je test met alle en gillen.
Wow! What's the nice?
Maar je er oft zit
Wow. Kola kavod.
En Shachris dat maar een stukje voice en
Wat wil ogen?
Oh,
Shlomo, no?
Nee, maar kon er dan wat Shemini snel gegangen. 7:35 my kinder to the bus. 8 o'clock my tochter to the school. 8:30.
We gotta do a full day with you.
9:30 ben ik in office.
Now I would love to just really.
Ik ben de reis lopen. Weet je wat ik zeg? Nog goed zou mij komen 4 or 5 in the morning. Come on. And the guy looked at our job was actually
That's
anyway,
amazing.
Chaim, what's the deal? How did you feel? What was your vibe? What was the food vibe inside?
I think it's a great vibe. I think you give off a certain radiance, a certain aura,
Yeah.
which is amazing.
Thank you.
How's the natural boom, the energy? I feel it. I tap it. And the quiz eating threw me off. Wow.
Yeah.
5:30 every morning.
Yeah. Can you improve a minute gemaakt? Wat sinds we
Kevin, if you see him sitting and learning, send in a picture over here.
If you're afraid to get the question, how do someone hire me? You can reach out Instagram, WhatsApp, any way you want. Plan ahead.
Phone number is?
Phone number?
Ja, warte. Der Start ist mit dir ein bisschen, nu.
Ich darf mit mijn office number. Ik denk nog maar hard mijn...
Kevin, you know what? Swipe up.
We'll
We'll post. Schick me a message. I'll post a link to the GrillFather.
Slecht te hebben, and I'm admitting it, by the way.
Oh, you're admitting that that's a bad habit.
And everybody knows it. Right? I hope one day to quit. Anyway, I'm a father of 5, gefreekt voor je. Ik heb 5 kinderen. 3 boekgenomen met 2 meiden.
Wow.
En nog eenmaal. It's up and down, schwere Zeit, good time. Nobody's perfect. You
He
know
was
that.
good. We're gonna do a full sit down once.
I like truth. I favor truth.
You're very transparent. You're transparent.
Yes. Thank you.
Kevin, the GrillFather.
Yeah.
Fine, Machulim. Get the Essen.
Yeah.
I like the setup you have, the vibe. I like your truck. Hello. Your truck over there is gorgeous, but not everyone. What is it say?
It's a lot of creating experiences together. Anyone can cook a steak, but not anyone.
Is that actually you?
Cook up an experience. That is me. It's an animated. It's a picture turned into an animation. You just made it.
Kevin!
I just bought a new truck.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Look out for the trucks. Kevin, a lot more content coming because you're gonna click on my ears.
I was going out for the truck. I'm gonna bring it around. I want to give people. Not everyone can, event all the time. I do meat boards.
Nice.
The key is hava, love. Love. Nah, Chavas and sleep. So as I'm full, yes, I'm gonna open it up again. I'm gonna fix it and rewrap it. So I have the passion.
You're awesome. Kevin, stay tuned for more coming with our good friend, the GrillFather. Marty the GrillFather. Marty Samet. Oh, it's Shul Matzad.
Try on my head.
Kevin, okay, we'll have to get this off over here.
Maybe a little moisture.
You can put on. You think Shulm can become a GrillFather?
Let's see.
Kevin. Neem de Michael.
He has a Michael. He has a Michael.
Kick him on.